Hello everyone. So this is the readme file which contains step-by-step instructions how we can copy equations from ChatGPT and paste it in Word. So let's get started. So in the step 1 we have to open Google Chrome like this we have already opened. Then go to this google.com. So I will open google.com like this. Now search for Markdown Capturer BibCit. Search here. Click on this first link, Markdown Capturer BibCit Chrome Web Store. Add to Chrome. Add extension. So it will be added here. Now, once installed, open ChatGPT, login into your account. So let's search, go to chatgpt.com, login into your account. Using your credentials. Now we can search like Newton's equation derivation. So whatever equations or derivations we can have in ChatGPT, directly we cannot copy into Word file. So this is the regular ChatGPT interface. So when you click on this copy icon, go to your Word file, paste it in Word file. So equations are not in the correct form, right? So this is not we want. So I'll remove this. I'll go to, now again open. Now download the converter. So when you click on, just copy paste this link like this, and you can see this markdown to docs.exe. Click on 3 dots and click on download. Download anyway. Start download. Now open the program like this. It will take 1 or 2 seconds and it will open this new window. Now go to your ChatGPT, refresh the page like this, and now you can see the copy markdown symbol because we have installed this BibCit Markdown Capturer. Now click on the copy markdown, go to your new opened window, paste the content here by pressing Ctrl V. Now scroll down, click on download as a docs, open the, now you can see all the equations are in the editable format like this. So you can edit, you can change, everything is the same as we have copied from this window. Now let's copy another Maxwell's equations. First equation derivation. So likewise you can copy as many equations as you can. So there is no limitation to this application. So you can use unlimited ways. Just copy using this copy markdown button. Go to this equation. Click on clear. Paste the. Scroll down. Download as a docs. Open. Now with this equation you can copy it in PowerPoint presentation also. So this is the use of that application, which is Pandoc based libraries are used like this. Okay, thank you.